Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a styling service that I got for my son called Kidpik. If you're curious to see what kind of items they send him in his little box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my son's very first Kidpik. So I'm always doing these personal stylist services for myself. When I came across these various different ones for kids, I thought to myself, you know, that would be kind of fun to do with him, for him, whatever. So I thought, okay, let's go ahead and give it a try. And the Kidpik was one of the top choices for this type of service for kids. So I decided to go ahead and go with them. And man, it took forever for this box to get here. I'm not really sure what was going on, but they did send out an email letting me know that there was some type of situation with their fall line. For some reason, it wasn't in on time. A lot of it may have had to do to COVID and things like that. But at any rate, there was like a hiccup with their fall shipments. So they weren't able to get them out when they planned. So they did give me a $5 credit as a result of my weight and all of that stuff, which is nice of them. But I just really wanted to get the stuff to kind of get his fall wardrobe going. Of course, I did buy him some things for fall already, but I wanted to see if this service was going to work out for me so that maybe I can just use this as opposed to going to the store. So that's why I was kind of eager to get it and disappointed when there was like a super long hold up to get it, but it is what it is. So just a brief description on Kidpik. It's a styling service for kids, specifically for kids. I'm not really sure the ages and all that stuff, but it works pretty much the same as all these other styling services. The only major difference that I see with this one versus all of the other ones for adults is that you get 7 days to decide whether or not you want to keep the items, which is nice. I mean, it gives you a little bit more time to get them on your kids and decide whether or not you want to keep them, because a lot of kids are in school and things like that. It might not just be ideal for people to get them tried on right away and returned. Nonetheless, I did contemplate whether or not this would be a suitable thing for me to do with my son, because I have a 3-year-old son. So I don't know how your 3-year-olds are, but to get them to try on clothes and not mess them up in the matter of seconds is almost impossible. So I was a little nervous about it, because I'm thinking literally I'm going to put these clothes on him. He's going to be covered in dog hair, cat hair in like the matter of seconds. And I'm thinking, can I actually return them if he messes them up? I'm just saying. But I mean, yes, you can get all the cat hair and dog hair off. I get it. But I'm just saying I was a little concerned about the whole situation. So I did decide to do it nonetheless. So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you what I got in his box, and then we'll attempt, make no promises here, we'll attempt to get a little bit of video with him with the clothes on and see if he cooperates. If he doesn't, then I'll try to snap a quick few pictures so you guys can kind of see what everything looked like, and then we'll jump into what I decided to keep and what I decided to return. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got in my son's first Kidpik box. Kidpik box. Yes. Okay guys, as I said in my intro, I'm a total train wreck because I've been crafting all day and I just didn't want to change to have to unbox this. So we're just going to unbox this really quick and see what's inside. So here's the box. Very nice little logo there. Loving it. Let's open her up. Oh, so cute. Okay, let me get this in front for you guys. Here it says, this box was styled especially for Noah. We hope you'll like everything. See that? Super cute. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. So as you can see, I haven't opened anything, but I'm dying to see what's inside. I've been waiting for this for literally, I don't know, a couple months now. So let's see what, oh no. Oh, we'll see how this goes. I see some glasses. You guys see that? Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay. So the first thing we have, it says good vibes. It's cute. I think that's cute. He would like that. XS size 4. So that's really cute. Okay, so we'll see how this goes. I don't know where to sit stuff after I've taken it out. Okay, so this one, oh, this is cute. No excuses, just results. Yeah, that's my little boy. I really like this one. I like the, I don't know, I guess like a tie-dye effect. This is really cute. Okay, digging it, digging it. He needs the t-shirts like so bad. So this is great. Oh, this one's not bad either. Okay, so we just have a nice striped one with, you know, a detail collar. I like that. The front and the back is the same. It's kind of like a baseball kind of a t-shirt. I don't know. Okay, so we have a pair of jeans. All right, all right, all right. Slimmy, size 4. Okay, so here's the jeans. They're cute. I gotta say, they look a little long though, guys. Let's see how this goes. But here's the jeans. They are cute though, but they're looking a little long, Okay, so I only got one pair of pants. Okay, and then we have a hoodie, which he needs actually. So this hoodie is just a plain hoodie. Well, no, there's some detail on the sleeve. I lied. So, okay, he definitely needs one that fits him a little bit better, so that's good. And then they put these little shoes in here. Ooh, the shoes feel like cheaply made, just saying. But they're cute. I mean, I would totally put them on him. They're super cute. I definitely think that they would be good for him. What size are they? I forget. This was so long ago, guys. I forget what size I told them. I don't know. I cannot see a size on them. And there's none on the bottom either. So I'm really not sure what size the shoes are. I mean, they look like they'll fit him. Oh, here we go. Size 9. Okay, so they'll actually be a little big, which is fine because he'll grow into them. And then they included these little glasses. How funny is this? You know what's funny, though, is my son is so cute. He'll definitely wear them. I'm not sure if you guys are getting them, but he'll definitely wear them, so that's funny. He likes glasses and stuff, so they put the little return bag in there for anything you may not want. And finally, we get to the bottom here. It says, "Thank you for letting us style Noah. We hope you both love everything. We can't wait to create another special box just for Noah." Boom! Very nice. All right, so let's open this up and see what's going on here. Okay, so okay. Here's how this works. I'm sorry, guys. I was like reading. How boring is that to watch somebody read something and they're not reading it to you? That's terrible. Okay, so let's do a quick recap here. So I'm going to grab this stuff. Oh, hold on. Let me grab it in the order I have it here. So let's start with the tinted sunglasses. Okay, so the value is $7.50 for these little sunglasses. And if I keep the entire box, they're $4.15. Totally worth it. Priced 100% correctly, in my opinion. Okay, so let's do the shoes. They are called space sneakers. I do have to say, they feel really cheaply made. I'm just saying, these feel really super cheap. They're not like a heavy-duty shoe. Just pointing that out there. $34.50 for these. If I keep the whole box, they're $19.07. 100% don't feel they're worth it. That's just my personal opinion. But, I mean, they're cute, but they feel cheap to me. That's just my opinion, okay? All right. Then we're jumping to this sweatshirt. It's $29.50, and it would be $16.30 if I were to keep the entire box, which I feel that's pretty accurate. And then we have these LA skinny jeans in dark denim. They're $34.50. I mean, I guess that could be a fair price for these. But if I keep the whole box, they'll be $19.07. So then we have this little striped t-shirt here. So it's $17.50, but it would be $9.67 if I keep the whole box. Wow, that's like a huge difference. What's the discount if you keep the whole box? I have to read that to you guys. Nonetheless, let's finish doing what I'm doing here. And then we have this one here at $16.50. If I keep the whole box, it would be $9.12. And this last t-shirt here, also $16.50. But if I keep the entire box, it would be $9.12. Okay, so over here it says try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You have 7 days. So you have 7 days to decide whether or not you're going to keep, return, or exchange. So apparently they allow you to exchange items. Let's say you got a wrong size, or, whatever size ran for a certain t-shirt wasn't the right size. You can get a different one. That's what that sounds like to me. Whatever. So then you go to kidpik.com and check out. So if I keep the entire box just this time, because this is my first box, I will get $70 off. Hello. That sounds like a heck of a deal. So size exchanges must be made online during checkout. Place what you want to exchange or return in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag and drop off at any U.S. mailbox. So I would just have my postman come and pick it up because it's just easier that way. So please note you will be charged $92.77 for the full box if the bag is not scanned within 7 days of delivery. So I think that includes my discount. I'm guessing. So, the merchandise total is $156.50. The sales tax is $11.35. So the grand total is $167.85. So the keep the whole box total is $86.50. Is that $70 off? Yeah. Right? I don't know. I'm going to have to do some math for you guys apparently, but I'm guessing that's what that is. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So keep the whole box price is $86.50 with the $70 off. So let's think here. And the sales tax will be $6.27. So it's $92.77 for me to keep the entire box. Okay, guys, I have to pop in here. I am so sorry. That was really painful to watch, but I was literally figuring it out as I was on camera. And as you can see, that just really doesn't work for me. So in the future, I will read all the stuff and just come back on camera and explain it all to you because that was really rough and I apologize. Let's move on. And I'll only get the discount if I keep the whole box. So there's a couple things in here that I just don't feel are worth the price ticket, but it's not worth it to return them because of the very large discount you get if you keep the whole box. Plus I had a credit because this box took so long to get here because I had trouble getting the fall sizes in, so I'm going to get an additional I think it's like $5 off, and then I had some kind of points or something that I can use towards this purchase as well. So I guess I'll figure all that out for you guys and I will go over all that information and final thoughts. But before I do that, I will show you pictures because I do not think I'll be able to get video of my son in each of these shirts and pants. It would be very difficult. I don't know if you guys have a rambunctious 3-year-old boy, but to keep him in one spot for any amount of time would be very next to impossible for me. So we'll see what I can do. I'll either get the pictures or I will chase him around the house and try to get you a tiny bit of video. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But nonetheless, I will show you what he looks like in each of these outfits. Well, it's not really outfits, it's like shirts and a pair of jeans, and we'll let you know in my final thoughts what I decided to do. He looks so cute. Hold on, fix him. Now look at mommy. Hi. Hi. You look so cute. Let me see your shades. Noah, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Noah. Noah. Hi.
Where are you?
You look so cute. I like your shades. Do you like your shades? You want to keep the shades, honey? All right. We're going to keep those. You look so cute. Noah, what do you think about your outfit, honey? Back up, Lou. Noah, look at mommy. What do you think? Jeans are a little long. The shoes are okay. We'll go around to the back here. Let's see. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know, honey. If it's okay. Noah. Is that too big?
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Is it too big? Okay. Probably won't want to keep that one. It's a little too big. Okay. Okay, guys. So, that wasn't as successful as I was hoping it would be. The prices were a little bit higher than I expected, so I was a little disappointed with that because I saw some other people do videos and it seemed like these prices were a lot more reasonable, and I'm just wondering if they sent me higher ticketed things because I had the $70 credit. I'm kind of feeling that's what they did. I'm not saying that's what they did. Maybe these are the prices across the board. I really don't know because it's my first time doing this, but I kind of felt like these prices were a little bit higher than some of the other prices that I saw in some of the other people's videos and things like that. So to give you a quick rundown on what I've decided, everything's going back. Why did I get my sheet out? Everything's going back except for the sunglasses because he loved those sunglasses and I can't see returning them. They looked so cute on him and they were very affordable. They were Full price, $7.50. So, I mean, that's not breaking the bank by any means. And they were good quality glasses, and he just loves them. And I actually had a $5 credit to use because of the debacle with getting the shipment out on time. So I used that $5 credit, and I ended up only paying $2.68 for the sunglasses. But other than that, all of the other items went back. I just felt like they were overpriced, in my opinion. The t-shirts did fit him. Well, I only tried one shirt on him because they were all designed exactly the same and they were the same size. So I only put one of those on him and it fit him great, and I thought the quality was good. But I can't justify paying $16.50 for one little t-shirt that he's probably not going to fit into in the matter of months. I just can't justify doing that. I would rather go to Gabe's or Walmart or one of those other more inexpensive stores and get him one that cost a couple of dollars as opposed to paying $16.50. That's just the way that I would rather do it. The jeans were too big for him. I thought that they might be, so that wasn't a surprise at all. But I was kind of surprised how big the hoodie was on him, so that was definitely going back. Because those two items were so big and oversized on him, I could not justify keeping them, especially at the prices they were at. And then the shoes actually fit him quite good. Yes, they were a little big, but I did that on purpose because he's growing so fast, and I thought if I get the sizes a little bit bigger, he'll be able to wear them a little bit longer. But the shoes were okay. I just honestly felt like they were cheap though. They were super lightweight, and I just wasn't very impressed with them at all. Honestly, guys, I would rather go to like Once Upon a Child or one of those places and get him a secondhand pair of Nike or Adidas shoes as opposed to getting those shoes that cost $19 if I got the full box and $34 if I didn't. Yeah, I can't justify that at all, guys. So overall, this was kind of a disappointment for me. I did go back in and I decided that I was going to cancel my subscription after this. And you know what? They don't make that very easy for you either. I was really disappointed about that because I went through the process, click cancel my subscription, put why I was canceling and all of that fun stuff that they want to know. And then it said that I had to call them to finish the process. What? I need to call you now? I don't like that at all. That really rubbed me the wrong way. So I haven't called them yet because I was like not happy. You shouldn't call people when you're not happy. I wanted to wait till I was like, okay, calm it down, woo-saw some stuff, and then call them. So I'll probably call them, I don't know, in a couple days or whatever, but I'm definitely going to cancel this subscription. I just can't justify keeping it with the prices the way they are when I would prefer to go to places like Once Upon a Child or Gabe's to get him his clothes and shoes. That's just how I feel about it, guys. No, I don't want to talk badly about Kidpik, but that's just my personal opinion, but maybe this is suitable for other people. So, in a nutshell, that's what I decided to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful or useful in, I don't know, some way. If you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell because I have a lot more fun stuff coming up, lots more fun DIYs, giveaways, and I think I have other subscription boxes that I decided I was going to try out, so you don't want to miss any of that super fun stuff. So just make sure that you're subscribed and you click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have coming up here. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! So I'm always doing these subscription box type services for, okay, two things. There's like a hair in my mouth and it's boxes, not box. Try her again. Oh, it's ready. Try it again. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my, yep. All right, let's get into the video, guys. Awesome. So I'm always doing these personal stylist yep, and this is awesome. We are off to a great start. All right. He looks so cute. Hold on, think so. Hair, your dog hair all over you. Hang on.